Bitcoin stays above $30,000, Ether inches towards $2,000. eToro to offer crypto trading directly to Twitter users. Metaverse platform MetaPoint exploited for nearly $1 million. Older versions of Aave Yearn Finance exploited for $11.2 million. Paxos set to withdraw from Canada amid regulatory uncertainty. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Private virtual currencies or VDA markets rebounded on Thursday as investors absorbed the US CPI data, which came in cooler than expected at 5%. Bitcoin traded above $30,000, crucial level, while Ethereum inched towards the $2,000 mark. Manoj Dhara joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
ICE 15 index for cryptocurrency was trading up by 1% at 40,300 points. So if we talk about the US latest inflation data that coincides with the shifts in whale or larger investor activity and unveiling of the Ethereum Shanghai upgrade, the digital asset space is witnessing return of volume following the two major events for the week, which is the CPI data and much awaited Shanghai upgrade. And in another interesting news, according to a statement made by Binance, users who staked Ether on exchange will be able to redeem coins with BETH holdings at a 1:1 ratio starting April 19th. The statement was made just hours after Ethereum completed the eagerly awaited Shanghai upgrade, also known as a Chapel hard fork, allowing, which is for the validators, that withdrawal for more than 18 million Ethereum that had been staked in the blockchain since the 2020. And please remember, it also includes the 1.1 million rewarded Ethereums as well. So in total, 19.1 million. Investors' focus will now shift to wholesale inflation data, with the Producers Price Index report from the Bureau of Labor Statistics, which are due later in the day. Weekly jobless claims are also due at the time. Analysts expect the jobless claims to come at around 232,000 versus previous month's data of 228,000. However, initial jobless claims could increase modestly to support a hawkish policy outlook. And if we talk about the overall investor sentiment, investors will also monitor Fed chatter on the monetary policy and the US economy. And futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average were little changed as investors weighed a recession risk following the latest meeting minutes from the Federal Reserves. Dow Jones futures were trading flat, while the futures related to the S&P 500 ticked higher by mere 0.06%. Nasdaq 100 futures were also trading flat to positive at 0.11% higher. Bitcoin was currently trading at $30,250, up 1%. So in recent times, Bitcoin has shown an interesting price performance, pushing the levels past $30,000 mark and marking an almost 80% gains since 2023. And according to the strategist of the Bank of America Corporation, a net 368 million of the Bitcoin was sent to a personal wallet in the week through April 4th. Notably, this is the period that witnessed the year's second largest net Bitcoin outflow from the crypto exchanges. Please keep an eye on this. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up by 6.3%, trading at $1,990. So Ethereum hovered around the $2,000 mark after the most awaited Shanghai hard fork, also known as Chapela, was completed at 22:27 UTC and finalized at around the same time. The upgrade enabled withdrawals for users who have staked their Ethereum to secure and validate transactions on the blockchain. Roughly half an hour after the Shanghai upgrade was activated, some 285 withdrawals in Epoch 1,94,408 has been processed for about 5,413 Ethereum, which is roughly around $10 million, according to a report. If we talk about other altcoins, Binance BNB was up by 1.6%, was trading at $324. Solana Sol was up by 3% at $24.1. Cardano's ADA token was up by 5% at $0.41. Avalanche AVEX was trading at $18.7, higher by 4.3%. Polygon Matic was trading up by 3.6% at $1.2. Doge, the popular meme coin, was higher by 6.5% at $0.087. Next on the list was Shiba Inu, was trading up by 3%. And if we talk about Shiba Inu, an increase in total value lock recently caused the price of a Bong token, a component of Shiba Inu ecosystem, to jump by around 6.2%. So its expansion might be a sign of Shiba Inu's ecosystem's broader comeback. That's what analysts have said. Next on the list was Ripple's XRP token, was trading at $0.51, up by 1.5%. Polkadot was up by 3.2% at $6.5.
Thank you, Manoj, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. Trading platform eToro is set to offer trading services of crypto and other assets direct to Twitter users via a new partnership with the social media company, the firm announced Thursday. The new service named Cash Tags is available from Thursday and will see the social investing firm provide Twitter users with real-time price for cryptocurrencies, stocks and other assets while directing them to the eToro platform to invest in them. Cash Tags aligns with Twitter owner Elon Musk's plans to integrate financial services into the platform as part of his intentions to create a super app. Musk has previously said he wishes for Twitter's proposed payment system to be able to accommodate crypto as well as fiat currencies. Metaverse platform MetaPoint was hacked for nearly $1 million on April 12, with the attacker stealing 2,515 BNB. The hacker also funneled the funds into Tornado Cash, which will complicate the process of reimbursing victims. The attacker exploited one of the smart contracts on the platform. If the user deposits the transaction, creates a new contract and deposits the assets into that contract instead. The MetaPoint team announced on Telegram that it had been hacked and suspended all operations. They have pinpointed the vulnerabilities and currently working on fixes. The POT token is currently trading at $1.74, down by roughly 77% over the last 24 hours. At its peak, the token was priced at $35.71. The Aave V1 and an older version of Yearn finance protocol were hacked for $11.2 million on April 13 due to a vulnerability in Yearn's USDT token via USDT. The damage was limited since only the older versions of protocols were attacked. Aave V1 had around $20 million in total deposits on April 12th, a day before the hack, per DeFi Llama data. Storm-blessed OKX, a senior developer at Yearn, and the Aave confirmed that only the legacy versions of the protocols were likely hit, with no harm done to the latest versions. The Aave team also claimed that they froze new deposits into V1 in December 2022. The attackers have already started withdrawing ETH through the Ethereum mixer Tornado Cash, with 1,000 ETH worth around $1.9 million withdrawn already per PeckShield. Paxos, a fintech company that offers blockchain-based solutions for the global financial industry, has announced its decision to withdraw from the Canadian market. The company released a statement informing customers that they will no longer be able to transact from their Paxos account starting from June 2, except for withdrawing their funds. The move comes as Paxos continues to assess its readiness to re-enter the Canadian market in cooperation with the Ontario Securities Commission at a future date. The announcement also stated that customers' funds would remain safely in their accounts and will be reflected on their account balance, protected by Paxos terms and conditions. However, the company has urged customers to withdraw all balances from their accounts at their earliest convenience. Customers who don't have any funds in their accounts will have their accounts automatically closed on May 9th. And now let's go to Ruchi Sharma to get an update on the 3 buzzing stocks of the day. California-based fintech firm Ripple Labs has recently announced that its university blockchain research initiative, since its inception in 2018, has supported more than 45 university partnerships across 20 countries and funded over 1,000 research projects. Launched in June 2018, the University Blockchain Research Initiative aims to accelerate academic research, technical development, and innovation in the realms of blockchain, cryptography, fintech, and digital assets. The initiative, which initially committed more than $50 million in funding, provides financial and technical resources to research institutions and universities worldwide, fostering the development of curricula, collaborative industry research, and the exploration of blockchain technology applications. Despite facing litigation from the United States Securities and Exchange Commission in December 2020, Ripple Labs continued to expand the UBRI program, forging new collaborations and solidifying its commitment to the academic community. XRP was trading at $0.5, down 0.73%, with a market capitalization of $26 billion. Top Shiba Inu Whale adds over $1.88 million worth of SHIB to portfolio through multiple transactions. In a stunning move, the 19th biggest Shiba Inu whale has added a whopping 171.68 billion SHIB worth $1.88 million to her wallet through 4 separate transactions, Etherscan.io reports. The whale's buying spree began about 4 hours ago from press time with a massive purchase of 38.83 million SHIB worth $426,407 from the Binance-associated wallet tagged Binance14. Minutes later, the whale purchased another 10.75 million SHIB from another unknown wallet. Undeterred, the whale continued her buying frenzy, splurging $440,398 to add 40 billion SHIB to her portfolio. This massive accumulation results in the growth of whale's overall SHIB holdings. As of press time, the whale holds an astronomical 5.05 trillion SHIB worth $55.39 million. The whale's massive accumulation coincides with a renewed demand for SHIB, which has been noticed in the growing futures open interest and trade volume on Binance. Shiba Inu was trading 0.73% up in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $6 billion. Polkadot's price performance is closely correlated with its current ecosystem milestone. As per CoinMarketCap's data, Polkadot is changing hands at a spot price of $6.42, up by 3.77% over the past 24 hours. As per the current outlook, the world's 11th largest crypto by market cap is pairing off the minor losses it accrued over the past week. In a recent ecosystem update, the duo of Bill LeBoon and the Polkadot protocol shared some impressive milestones to watch across the board. While LeBoon highlighted the release of Kagome 0.9.0, a Polkadot host implementation written in C++, it showcased the steady embrace of new system to support core protocol users. Several parachains within the Polkadot network also recorded impressive integration over the past few weeks. The outlook of the Polkadot protocol is even more enhanced as more parachains secure mega partnerships that can help bolster the overall use case for the protocol. Polkadot was trading at $6.48, up 3.17% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $7 billion.
Thank you, Ruchi. Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more such updates, please like, share and subscribe to 3.0 TV.